Can Exness be trusted? Is Exness trustworthy as a broker? Leave your comments in the comments section below if you have used this broker before. Exness is a well-known Forex broker that has been operating since 2008. It is regulated by multiple authorities, including the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC, which enforce strict standards and oversight, adding a layer of credibility and security. By the way, if you are looking for reliable brokers, including the ones that I use, see the description box below. Exness has built a solid reputation in the Forex trading community, garnering generally positive reviews from traders for its reliability, transparent trading conditions, and good customer service. The company demonstrates a commitment to transparency by providing detailed financial reports and publishing performance indicators and trading volumes on their website. Exness offers robust customer support, including live chat, phone support, and email assistance in multiple languages, indicative of a trustworthy broker. The broker is known for its competitive trading conditions, such as tight spreads, low commissions, and high leverage options, along with stable and fast execution platforms. While no broker is without negative reviews, Exness generally receives favorable feedback, with traders often praising the ease of account setup, reliable withdrawals, and user-friendly trading platforms. However, it is important for traders to conduct their own due diligence, considering factors like regulatory status, user reviews, and personal experiences. Starting with a demo account or a small initial deposit can help gauge the broker's services before committing significant funds. Have you used Exness as a broker before? What was your experience? Leave your comments in the comments section below. Also see the description section for everything else, including the brokers that I personally use.